Okay, Geometry Kids, it's Wednesday, October 28th. Gonna go over K4 today, making sure that we know what we're doing. Remember, you only need a 50. We'll be sending a message later on with a list of IDs of the people not completing the work, and those people are in danger of failing, so make sure that you're on top of your game. Please watch the video if you don't like that video. I'm giving a real basic straightforward thing of what you should be doing. Let's go on. K4. Still have your IDs and your passwords up there so you guys can get in and make sure you know what you're doing. Remember, these are new passwords and usernames. Geometry. K4. Let's do it. So here we're proving, so we're just making sure that we're understanding what exactly is happening. Make sure you read what the statement's already telling you, and you should be good to go. So right here, TU is perpendicular to SU. TU is perpendicular to SU. That gives me a 90-degree angle. SU is perpendicular to SV. That gives me a 90-degree angle as well. TU is congruent to SV. Okay, okay. And then angle S and angle U are congruent because, of course, they're perpendicular, so those are right angles. And then right here, angle SWV is congruent to TWV because of the vertical angle theorem. So because they're basically telling you, they're saying this side, the angle, and this angle are the same on both triangles. So what does that fall under? If we have two angles next to each other, that look like it's angle, angle, side. Pretty basic. Trying to click it, but it's not letting me click it. Do I have to type it? Alright. And then submit it. Again, ladies and gentlemen, you only need a 50, so make sure you get that done with. Second one, read the statements, and then we'll be good to go. All right. So x, y is perpendicular to uy. xy is perpendicular to uy. So that tells me this whole angle is 90 degrees. Angle u is the same as angle w. That's already given. Wx is congruent to xy, so this is also 90 degrees. Angle uyx is congruent to the same, right, because of 90 degrees. And then side xy is congruent to xy. Okay, so how are these congruent? So right here looks the same. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Not too bad. Geometry is a pain in the butt, ladies and gentlemen, but you have to have it in order to graduate, and I'm making it as easy as possible. Make sure that you just get it done. All right, last one, because I think after this we will get a 50. Okay, so this one is already telling you that this is angle side angle. Okay, so right here we could obviously see the vertical angle theorem is right there. These two angles are the same, so that would tell me that these sides are the same. So angle side angle, perfect. So let's see what it's asking for. It's asking for how is QU congruent to SU. So they're asking how is this line congruent to this line. So let's check out our options. There you go. So the given It's saying that U is the midpoint of SQ. So because that's the midpoint of SQ, that is basically telling me that this must be the same because it's cut in half because it's the midpoint. So if I look through our options, which this thing is annoying me, yeah. Additive property angle measure, of course not, because it's talking about the midpoint. Additive property, no, all angles are correct. It's not an angle. Definition, angle bisector. That might be close, but it's not an angle. So, definition of a midpoint, of course. They gave it to you in the statement, so just make sure you understand what you're looking at, and boom, I got a 50. Now, it's very, very simple just to click away. Just be careful because we do have a test coming up next week, and I want you all just to make sure you give me a 50. I'll make sure you get 100 in the grade book, and you should be all right. Okay? Video tomorrow will be over K, I think 6. Forgot. Oh, K7. So K7 is basically the same thing as the first two, and then Friday's video is over K8, and we'll be good to go. Y'all have a great day.